Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be opening up and reviewing this model airplane kit. So I'm so excited to do that, and I also just want to take a second and apologize for not uploading for the last few weeks. I've been really busy with school and everything like that, and I've decided to be changing my upload schedule a little bit. So instead of uploading every week like I did in the summer, I'm going to be uploading every 2 weeks just so I have a little more time to create the videos and I'm not as rushed. So, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post vlogs and DIYs just like this one. So do be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's go. Here is the box, and before we're opening it up, we're going to be taking a closer look at it. The top of the box says Heroes of the Sky all-inclusive activity set, and it also looks like it comes with 2 quick build planes, 6 bottles of acrylic paints, 3 paintbrushes, and decals. Here are the paints, and it looks like it comes with blue, red, yellow, black, olive, and silver. This is what the back looks like, and it also says Heroes of the Sky, and it looks like you can build it in less than 15 minutes, and it comes with a display stand, spinning propeller, and fully detailed cockpit. Now, let's open this up and see what's inside. I just wanted to say that if you guys have any video ideas, be sure to comment them down below. So here is everything that comes inside laid out. So it looks like they have some acrylic paints and a paint palette. Then it looks like we have some stickers here. And there are a lot of varieties of them. And then there are some words that say Mad Max, Wee Willie 2, and then a graphic. And we also have the parts of our planes. So here are the 2 bags with them. And then here are the instructions for both planes. The first plane I'm going to be building is the P-51 Mustang. And here are the parts, so let's open them up. This is what the parts look like. And here it looks like the body of the plane and a bunch of little details like the winglets, propeller. This looks like the cockpit, the controls, the nose, and things like that. And then this looks like the wings of the plane. They look like they have a bottom and top piece. And this is the black stand that is shown in the picture. Last but not least, we have this tiny little cockpit glass piece. Here are the first 2 pieces laid out, and these pieces have to be painted green, so I'm taking my olive green, and when I first opened it, it looked a bit watery, so I'm going to be trying to stir it around. On the bottom, I'm finding these little chunky pieces, so I'm not really sure what that's all about, but I'm going to attempt to paint the pieces. I don't think I'm going to be using enough paint that I'm going to have to pour it into the palette, so I'm just going to be moving that out of my way. While that dries, I'm deciding to paint all the other pieces as well. This is how everything came out, and I'm actually quite pleased with it. So here's this propeller. It's painted blue and yellow. And here is the cockpit that is painted green. And I like how it is very smooth, and you can't even tell it was gray before. Here is the controls. Here is, I don't know what this is really. It just looks like something to put together. And this looks like the nose of the plane. And I like how it's really glossy. Now I am going to start assembling the plane. So I'm going to take these two little green pieces. One is the seat of the cockpit, and one looks like the controls, and then slip them in this notch right here, like so. And now the cockpit is assembled. Now I'm just going to be taking this and slipping them in the little hinges that they provide for you, and it fits perfectly. And then I'm going to take this tiny little piece here and putting that in the front of the plane. Now I'm going to take another tiny piece that kind of looks like an antenna, and I'm going to be putting that right in that little hole. Whoop, and the front of the plane looks like it came off, so let's stick that back on. And now I'm going to be taking the other half of the plane and just sticking that right on and then push down. And you should hear a little click, which means that it's solidly in. Just push it together. And this is how it should look when you are finished. And it already looks a lot like a plane. Then we are going to attach these two tiny wings to the tail. And once I've done that, then I'm going to attach the glass that goes on the driver's seat. And it looks really good, but it doesn't really fit. So I'm thinking maybe we have to turn it the other way, but it still doesn't really seem to fit. So maybe we just have to take off the driver's controls just like so. And now it seems to fit just perfectly. Once I've done that, I'm going to start assembling the nose. So I guess this piece was for the nose, and I'm just going to slip that on the little hole thing. It's kind of hard to get on. Now that I've done that, we are going to take the propeller, slip that on, and then we're going to take the nose, and our plane is basically a wingless plane. So now I'm going to be assembling the wings. So they come in two parts. One is a whole part and the other two are two halves. So all you have to do to put these together is just match the holes up, and it is a bit difficult, but then you can press them together and that is your wing. And then you're going to repeat the exact same steps for the other side. So just push it together, So now I am going to be attaching this to the plane. So all you have to do is put this in there. It's similar to building the wings where you have to match it up with the holes and then just snap together. And there we go. So now we have a plane with wings. And now we just need to add the stand. So I've already popped out the two pieces that are supposed to be the stand. So all you have to do is push this in. And then we're going to take our plane, and at the bottom of the wings, it has this little kind of indent. And then that is just supposed to be pushed in the little stick on top of the stand. Just try to push that in there. I'm just gonna try turning around and see if that works. And it just fits in perfectly. So now our plane is basically finished. And now we just have to add the windshield. And now we're done. It is optional to paint the plane and the wings. And it shows two layouts of decals and stickers here. And it also shows what color you should paint them. And I am going to choose the second style. To add one finishing touch, I'm going to be using the decals that come with the kit. So I'm going to be using this white lettering. It's really hard to tell on camera. And all you're going to do is cut that out. Once you've done that, you're going to take a cup of water and just sit that in there and then let this soak. Once the sticker kind of peels off of the paper, I'm just gonna leave the paper in there and then carefully try to uncoil the sticker. And it looks really nice because it's clear and everything. Now I'm going to bring in my plane. It is a bit challenging to get it on. And once you finally got it on there, just hold it in place. It should just automatically stick. If not, just dip it back in the water. And there we go, our first sticker. I put the second sticker on, and after it dried, it immediately peeled off. So I'm just not going to worry about the stickers. And here is the finished model. I really like how it came out. I like how the wings are really shiny. And here is the cockpit. It's very detailed. And the propeller actually spins. And here is the stand. I like how I also decided to make the other plane that came in the kit, and here it is. It was similar to the first plane. It also has a spinning propeller, and that is the plane. Alright everyone, so we have come to the end of this video. Overall, I think the kit is really great for people like me who are aviation enthusiasts. And I probably would give it a 4 out of 5 stars because I just thought it was really great, but they could have made these stickers easier to apply, things like that. Yeah, so if you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!